Tell me why it seems like life isn't playing fair. Like 1,000 tons is sitting on my chest. I can't breathe, there's no room for air. Steady praying to God, but He ain't answering. I'm now wondering, is He even there? My mind is trapped in a state of confusion. Living this lie of a life is all an illusion. Hoping one day it will all come to a conclusion. But the pain that it will cause. Should I match pause on my emotions? Lock my sense of guilt in a cage and ignore the notion that people really do care? They don't feel my pain though. They don't feel nor understand my suffering. The suicidal thoughts in my mind is steady hovering. What is coming over me? I just want the pain to go away. I just want to be free.